So we're here at the IDTechEx Show here with EW panel, and who are you?
I'm Chunhua Yao. I'm from UW Medicine, a PhD student now, and also we are doing our own startup. So here we are showing the floor that can generate electricity.
Generate electricity?
Yeah, so it's a very common floor. We got it from Home Depot. And what's magic here is we embedded our nano generator inside. And then when you tap it, you can get the voltage output.
How? How is that possible?
So we are using a triboelectric nano generator technology. It's very new. It was invented in 2012, and for this one you can use different materials to get the electricity. For the specific application here, we use wood fibers.
So this is a vinyl. It's not real wood, right?
This is wood. This is not the solid wood. It's called a HDF, highly density fiberboard.
So this is for the floors that people have in every apartment, everywhere?
Yeah, we got it from Home Depot.
And how do you modify? Where do you put the modifications?
So we embedded our stuff in this underlayment. We embedded our nano generator inside.
So this part here is yours?
No, this is also a very common one for flooring here, like for the water resistance.
Okay.
This layer.
But you put something in between?
Yeah, we put something in between. We dug a hole and then insert our nano generator.
So how much energy is generated with this?
So per step, you can get several milliwatts, and the voltage can be as high as 100 volts.
So you would put all this maybe in the battery?
We can store in the battery or capacitor, or we can just use it directly. Like we are using this to directly power the LED lights. You don't need to store it.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is crazy, no? Like people will have their floors generate power.
Right. And now we are actually talking with our university because it's based on our research. And so we are talking with our university. We want to do a demonstration. Like we are going to lay the floor of one room and then all on the hallway, and then there will be a board saying, oh, today how many students pass and how much energy we have harvested.
So is it easy to make the whole floor with this technology?
It will be very easy because during our designing, we already considered that we don't want to make too much changes to the standard flooring in the manufacturing.
Is it possible that when you go to Home Depot, you will buy this special floor with your technology inside?
I hope in the near future.
Near future? How far in the future? Next year?
Yeah,
next year is possible?
At least 1 year, I think.
1 year is not so much.
Right.
And then after you connect this to the power or something, charge the battery.
Yeah.
And then you don't need, you just walk around in your house, in your apartment to generate power.
Yeah, also like in the backyard at night, you just walk here and then you get the lights powered.
So if there's not enough power, you have to run and do exercise. But if you put this in a school or in the office, there's hundreds of people.
Right.
That's a lot of power.
Also like on the stadium, fans are just so excited and jumping all the time.
What is a competitor doing something similar? Some people are talking about doing this in a subway, right? And there's a lot of people walking on the subway, but they do something completely different?
They are using, as I said, they are using piezo material. So piezo material is expensive or like sometimes toxic. So for this one, it's so environmentally friendly and
it's not
cheap.
So expensive? Cheap?
No, it's cheap because it's made from wood fibers.
Just from wood fibers?
Yeah.
But it's not as much power as piezo, right?
No, much the same, comparable.
Same?
Yeah, even like the voltage, even higher. It depends on what kind of piezo material you use.
So when did you start to work on this? When was your idea to do this?
We had...
Let me take this, sorry.
Yeah, so at the very beginning, our research started like 2 years ago. and then we patented it, and then we published the paper, and then started this company.
All right.
Yep.
And this is University of where?
University of UW Madison, University of Wisconsin Madison.